Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jaguar XF air filter. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement air filter. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any maintenance. You'll find the air filter housing typically located under the hood, often near the front of the engine bay. This simple task improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. Now, let's access the filter. Use your screwdriver to carefully loosen any screws or unclip the fasteners holding the air filter housing cover in place. Once all fasteners are released, gently lift the cover to reveal the old air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated. This will help you install the new one correctly and avoid any issues. With the housing open, you can now easily remove the old air filter. Simply pull it straight out from its compartment. Before inserting the new filter, take a moment to inspect the housing itself. Look for any leaves, dust, or other debris that might have accumulated. If necessary, use a clean cloth to wipe down the interior of the housing, ensuring a clean seal for your new filter. Finally, it's time to install your new air filter. Carefully place the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and matches the orientation you noted earlier. Once the new filter is in place, reposition the housing cover and secure all screws or clips firmly. Double-check that all fasteners are tight to ensure a proper seal, preventing unfiltered air from entering your engine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.